Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at how to replace the engine air filter on this 2024 Kia Sorento. Alrighty, once you've got your hood popped, you're going to locate the air box, which is here at the beginning of the air intake system. It's usually going to sit right behind the radiator fan so that air will push through it. On the side, you'll notice it says pull out to open, so it's going to let you open this little door. And then here is our actual air filter. These little tabs on the side, you're going to push them down, and that will allow us to unlock the filter and pull it completely out of the air box. And then when you have the new air filter, you're just going to feed it back in, lock these tabs back into place so that you can't pull the filter out, close this door, and it's as simple as that. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below for a replacement filter if you want to go ahead and do this for your Sorento as well. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and hope to see you in my